Alright, if your text looks kinda flat in Canva, yeah, you're probably not using text effects properly. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use text effects in Canva to make your designs actually stand out, step by step. First, open your design in Canva and either add a new text box or click on existing text. Once it's selected, you'll see the editing toolbar at the top. Now, look for the effects button in the top menu and click it. This is where all the magic happens. Alright, here you'll see options like shadow, lift, outline, and hollow. Just click on any effect to apply it instantly. Each one gives a different vibe, so yeah, try a few and see what fits your design. Once you apply an effect, you can customize it, like adjusting the offset, direction, blur, or transparency. This is where you fine-tune the look. Now, if you want something more creative, try the curve effect. It lets you bend your text into a curve, great for logos or headings. Text effects work best when combined with the right font and color. So experiment a bit. Change the font, adjust colors, and see how everything works together. Quick tip, don't overdo it. Too many effects can make your text hard to read. Keep it simple and focus on clarity. If you like a style, you can copy it using the Copy Style tool and apply it to other text. Saves time and keeps your design consistent. Before finishing, zoom out and preview your design. Make sure the text stands out and looks good overall. And yeah, that's how you use Canva text effects properly. Simple tweaks, big difference. Try a few styles, keep it clean, and your designs will instantly look better.